3, go.
Okay, all right, fellow YouTubers, welcome to Steve's Woodshop. Nice to see you guys again. Today I want to explain about the fastener storage, because that's always kind of a complicated affair. And usually I start with a little stool here, which I made, put casters on some plywood, and set that up so that now I can sit down and do this very comfortably. And what I've done is use the toolbox design to create a two-drawer cabinet. It's similar to like a mechanic's toolbox drawers, but they open from the side, and mine are different. They open from the end, and I think that works a lot better for me in my storage. So I'll show you each one can actually come out and be set on the table or something if you want to take them somewhere. So similar to a mechanic's toolbox, you could actually take it close to your car if you have mechanic tools in it. But here I have for nuts and bolts and fasteners that I want to keep sorted, because then if you can't find it, it means you don't own it. So I want to be able to find everything. So take out the drawers, and all these are labeled as to the types. These are bolts and nuts and bolts, and I have them all labeled. I bought a lot of these bulk, so I needed to do my own labeling, and I used just food containers and so forth because they're quite reasonable. They're free and come in different sizes, so you can adjust the size for whatever you need. There's another one. There's another container that I got at Menards that is really cool, but these cost money, so I only use these for special occasions. And they're cool. They lock together. So sometimes I put some fasteners in here to take to the job. But I don't want to do them on everything, because it will add up to a lot of money. If I have 500 containers and they cost $1 each, that's $500. I like it open here. You can open the drawer quickly and see everything as you look into it. I'll pull out another drawer so you don't be bored with the same drawer. But you can look really fast and find the fastener you need. Because you can see it right away. You don't have to look at what's written. Well, some of them are labeled, and so that helps you decide, what kind of nut or bolt to get here. And so I have nuts and bolts, and there's some washers here. Lots of washers if you like fasteners. So it's all in the theory of, if you can't find it, you don't own it. You have to go to the hardware store because they're organized. Well, I hope to be as organized. I bought these at a company called Harrison Supply, which is no longer in business. It was a funny place where they had job lotted fasteners, and I think I paid $1 a pound or something. It was a bargain, but you gotta manage all of it. So there's a cost to managing it, which your local hardware store does for you, and you should appreciate that, because it's a lot of work. Oh yeah, also I even try to organize the organizing system with storage containers that I save for when I might need something. I have them all ready. I cut them, they're taller, I cut them down and various sizes. Here's something from a pretty container that I bought with some screws in it, so I'll save that for something else probably. Whenever they have a pretty container, and it's sort of a waste to throw it away or even recycle it, you can have a second use for it. Yeah. So I like second uses for things. So I feel like I'm not wasteful. Okay, and also we've made some storage boxes ourselves for the fasteners. Here's one where we used it Materials are totally free except for the screws. It's all just scrap. And some of my boxes have. I can show you how these are used. I can bring you over here, and this is another storage section. That's the bolts, and this one the screws, and this has those boxes in it too. I designed these boxes so they would fit in both directions. So that helps, because if you can fit more in there if everything is designed. And this is all my screw section here. So some of them are job lot Phillips, round head and flat head and different head types. So we did some labeling that helps when you're looking for something. Pull some more out if you want to see them. Stainless, there's some stainless screws and different ones in every drawer. And these, some of these were bought at Harrison Supply as well years ago. So I got a lifetime supply at Fasteners almost. Except for the newest ones, some of the newest stainless steel. Still have to buy screws. So I don't know. What do you think? I guess that's about it for the fasteners. I also use these plain old boxes for some of the screws as well to take to job sites. It's something that's manufactured that I do like. Open it up. Take a look here. These are nice stainless steel trim screws, which I like. Look nice and don't rust. Oh yeah, there's a special driver for them that I buy. So you need that to countersink the heads. This works beautifully. It's all the 1/4-inch snap fittings. This is something that's made here. I got a little set of drawers here for it. Mostly I make stuff, but once in a while there's something good that somebody makes. Not opposed to buying things, but if I can make something that I like better, then I prefer to do that. Yeah. Adjust it for can have a 1/2 inch longer or 1 inch longer. Well, I talked about that before. Okay. All right. I guess we're done for today. So thank you, YouTubers, and don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. So we can do some more, and we know you like what I'm doing. All right, thank you.